The 1001 Nights, or the Arabian Nights, as it's also known, is constructed as a frame story, to which all the other tales are subsequently added. The tales themselves come in a very wide variety of genres, including fables, adventures, mystery, love stories, drama, comedies, tragedies, horror story, poem, and erotica. Very simply put, the frame story itself is one of a king, King Shahryar, who has been betrayed by his wife, and who is off commiserating with his brother King Shahzaman, who has suffered a similar fate himself. On their journey to encounter a beautiful woman who is being held captivated by the most fearsome genie. The woman threatens to awaken the genie and thus cause certain death upon them, unless they have sexual relations with her. This encounter forces King Shahryar to think of women and confirm his paranoia that women are simply not be trusted, while his brother simply wears off women completely. Our main protagonist, Shahryar, has a more shockingly sinister plan in his mind. He rides off back to his kingdom and swears that he will wed every eligible bride in the land, only to have her executed the next morning before she has a chance to cuckold him. As might be expected, the king soon runs out of brides to marry, and his grandbetter daughter, Sarazad, who is well known for her penchant for storytelling, decides to take it upon herself to marry the king despite the vehement protests of her father. Sarazad, however, has a plan herself. At a certain point every night, she has her younger sister, Duazad, come to the royal quarters and urge the new queen to entertain the king and her with one of her famous stories. Sarazad then put her talent to good use, beginning a tale every night but never ending it before daybreak, thus leaving the king enthralled and willing to spare her life one more night so he can find out what happened with the story. Hence, whenever she finishes a tale, never at daybreak, Sarazad is sure to start another equally captivating tale, which will go on for another night or so. This continues for 1001 nights, until finally, the king is cured of his paranoia and decides he wants to keep his queen forever after. And that's the end of the story. Thank you for listening and watching this video.